Interview process explained, the 5 stages to hire the best talent, HR guide. Welcome back to the channel. Hiring without a solid, structured interview process is like flying blind. It leads to bad hires, high turnover, and wasted time. The best companies don't rely on gut feeling. They use a structured, multi-stage approach to minimize bias and accurately predict success. Stop guessing. A structured interview process is the key to minimizing bias and maximizing the quality of your hires. This video breaks down the 5 essential rounds every effective hiring pipeline should include, from initial screening to the final cultural fit check. Learn how to structure each round to assess specific skills and make data-driven hiring decisions. Today, we are outlining the 5 essential rounds of the modern interview process. We'll tell you the goal of each stage and which skills to assess. Round 1. Initial screening and application review. This is the first gate. The goal here is efficiency, eliminating candidates who clearly don't meet the minimum requirements. Application and resume review. Filter for absolute non-negotiables, required years of experience, mandatory certifications, or legal eligibility to work. The recruiter phone screen, the 15-minute check. This quick call, usually 10 to 15 minutes, serves 3 purposes. 1. Minimum viability, confirming minimum job requirements and salary expectations. 2. Logistics, confirming availability for interviews and notice period. 3. Basic communication skills, reassessing verbal clarity and enthusiasm. Goal of round 1, to create a small, qualified pool of candidates who are ready for a deeper time commitment. Round 2, technical skills assessment, the proof. Once we know they meet the minimum criteria, we test the core competency. The goal here is objective, measurable validation of job-specific skills. Types of assessment. Depending on the role, this could be technical roles, a coding challenge, a system design test, or an analytical problem set. Marketing creative roles, a portfolio review or a short take-home assignment with respect for their time. Sales customer service roles,